So guys, I want to give you a glimpse of how the floods destroys items here in Mombasa. This is a supermarket in Bamburi, you see? This is Bombolulu. Here in Mombasa still, you see the vehicles are being submerged. For those who do not know, Mombasa is surrounded by water, is an island already. So you can imagine an island submerged in water. It was very much intense and actually very intense. See, vehicles being submerged. You see, it was very bad. This is just a compilation, a glimpse of how the things were. It was really bad.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game.